Hello everyone, my name is Udaibhan Rathore and I am a first year MBA student at IIM Kashipur. I have completed my graduation in BSc Maths Honours in 2023. From the past 2 years, I have attempted CAT twice and I managed to get a score of 99 plus percentile in quantitative aptitude section. I want to share my preparation strategy with all of you, which will help you in your own journey. When I first started my CAT preparation, the first thing in quantitative aptitude section I did was to divide it into 4 major areas such as arithmetic, algebra, geometry and modern maths. Then I went through the past year papers and analyzed the sections on the basis of 2 parameters. First one is the weightage and the second one is the difficulty. For an example, arithmetic carries more weightage than geometry and it is much easier than geometry. So this helped me to prioritize my efforts. With this clarity, I began my preparation by doing the basics. So I use the basic study material which is available in the market, and I also watch various conceptual videos which are on YouTube to clear my concepts. Then I also made a formula notebook to go through the formulas like every weekend or every fortnightly. So after completing my basics, I move on the revision part. In revision, I went through each and every question which I have done in the past, and I've also gone through the CAT past year papers from 2017 to 2023, each and every question of it. It helped in building my confidence overall. Beside this, I've also attempted various sectional and full-length mocks. So initially, I prioritize attempt the mocks with a high accuracy. For example, I attempted only 6 to 7 questions with 100% accuracy, but gradually when my preparation was going in the end phase, I started attempting around 14-15 questions, but the accuracy was not that much high with around 90% accuracy. I would like to share some tips with all of you. So my first tip is you can divide the 40 minutes exam into 2 parts of 20 minutes each. In the first 2 minutes, you can analyze half of the quantitative aptitude section and you can just mark the easier question in it. Then in the rest 18 minutes, you can do the easier question and then you can repeat the same cycle in the next 20 minutes. So my second tip is an easier question and a difficult question fetches you the same marks. So you must always prioritize whichever question do you want to do. So my third tip would be always try to do the question by the elimination method. So in elimination method, you can just analyze the options which are for the question and then just eliminate the options. It will save a lot of time for all of you. So summing it up, my preparation journey revolved around 3 things. So first will be covering all the topics from basics till advanced. Second, disciplined approach towards attempting the mocks. Third, always having a smart strategy for attempting the exam. So I would like to wish you all the best for your CAT journey. Thank you.